Yes. What it is, man? It's your boy Conga Line Crypto, and I'm back with another one. How you guys doing? I hope everybody doing good. Before I go any further, guys, please like this video, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, guys, I'm gonna have my link in the description box. Use my link to sign up. When you do so, you get $25. And also, I want to talk a little bit about New Paradise, guys. I'm gonna have my discount code in the description box. You can use my discount code. When you do so, you get 15% off any purchase, guys. And see, New Paradise sells CMOS. CMOS is really good for you if you have problem with wifey say you're not getting where you're supposed to be. You can get you some CMOS. You won't regret it, I promise you. Do your own research about CMOS. And as I said, I'm gonna have my link in the description box. You could use it. You get the 15%, but they got it all. Go ahead, check them out, guys. Check them out. Uh, Let me jump straight into it, guys. I want to jump straight into the DeFi and kind of talk a little bit about NFTs, guys. This is really what I want to talk about today, about NFTs, because it's the price that you pay for the NFT. And right after you buy an NFT, guys, you could buy it in an NFT, and the same day that thing, you could buy it for, basically, you could buy it for $10, and then that same day you could sell it back for 100 or 200 or 300 or 400, you know. So that's kind of what I want to show you guys, and talk a little bit about that. I really want to go check and see if they got any more left, because so far I got 5 of them. And the most I paid for my NFT, I think I paid like what, the most expensive one was like $39. You know, the most expensive one was like $39, guys. So I just want to see. And as you can see, they already mint 2,078 NFT for these majestic Minotaurs. So I have 5 of them, and I pay 90 crow. You guys can see 90 crow is like, right now the market is down, so 90 crow is like $35 at this moment, you know. So I just want to show you guys, and this is where I bought mine from, and I want to show you guys what they selling these NFTs for. And I really think the price could go higher after they finish minting all these. They got a couple more to go. I'm gonna try to say if I could pick up one more. I would love to get the last one. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I could get the last one, but I want to show you guys that, and you know, to show you how the NFT market is how things move, man. Things move real fast. Okay, so let me get into my vote, so I want to see what's going on, how my staking pools, how they looking, and then I'm gonna jump into the NFTs so you guys could see. Go to Crow Seas and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Cause, but as you guys can see, MMF is really moving, guys. It's going up. So, uh, there we go. I'm getting close, guys. And I started with nowhere close what you see in there, guys. So that's just a beautiful thing. I bought MMF at 40 cent at one point, because I bought at different numbers. So I bought at 40, I bought at 50, I think I bought at 60. I even bought at 80, you know. So that's what it is. It looking beautiful right now, guys, and I just hope this thing keep going. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for $10, $100, $200. Not a financial advisor, guys. Let me get to that, because that's the first thing I was supposed to let you guys know. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything that I talk about, these are the things that I'm doing. And if you need financial advice, check with a financial advisor, uh, so you could know what's going on with your money. But as you guys can see, I could take my time and just scroll through this thing right here, up and down, so you guys could see that, and see the APY and these LP. When you create your LP, these are the interest rates you get, and it's really big. So I do have a little bit here. Okay, so far I made 97 cents, and I started with 34. You know, So that's good. So that's good, guys. Just love to see this. And as I said, as I get more money, I'm gonna put more. I don't know how long these high APY gonna stay for, because I know it's not. The more people come in, it's the more it's gonna go down. It get lower. So that's what it is. I'm not tripping. I'ma just keep eating. I'ma just keep eating so I could get fat. You know, my VVS looking bad. I started with way more, guys. I got 14 million VVS. VVS. I need you guys to step it up. I need you guys to go to the moon. Okay. I need you guys to step it up. Step it up, VVS. I'm losing off VVS right now. But that's kind of what's going on with my MMO staking, guys. I'm gonna jump right into it, into the NFT, so I can show you guys what's going on with the NFTs that I'm talking about. And to do that, you gotta go to Crow Seas. So I'm gonna go to, okay, guys. And as I said, these NFTs sell for 30 bucks, man. 35 bucks, the most 40 bucks. It all depends on the market of Crow, where Crow's at, you know. It all depends in the Crow market. Okay, guys, so these are the NFTs right here. And I want you guys to see. This is 1,000 Crow. This is the same NFT that was sold for 90 Crow. Now it's 1,000 Crow if you want to buy it. 8 days ago. Okay. This was posted 8 days ago. This one also 8 days ago. Now they're selling it. Sale price 1,000 Crow. Look, guys. Look, guys. Sale price 960 Crow. And I just want you guys to see. And these are the same Crow. These are the same NFTs that sold for 90 Crow. So if this is not a come up, I don't know what a come up is. And look, guys, 2,000 Crow. 2,000 Crow 15 days ago. And it's a beautiful thing just to see this. Just to see that you could spend 30 bucks and flip it, flip it that quick. And for me, I'm just going to hold on to mine. The ones I got, I might sell one or two of them, but for the most part, I'm going to hold on to them until they shoot up higher than that. Hopefully, I could get 20K for one of mine. That's how long I want to hold it. But as you can see, 750 Crow, 500 Crow, 780 Crow, 790 Crow, 3,000 Crow. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. 3,000 Crow. This was 22 days ago. Woo! 5,000 Crow, guys. Woo! The price get higher and higher, guys. Look at this. And this is the same NFT that they bought for $35 to $40. I think 40 bucks. Or, well, you know what? It all depends on when they bought theirs. If Crow was up, man, maybe they would have they might have paid a little bit more, maybe 50, maybe 60, but still 5,000. Come on. Look. Woo. That's what's up, guys. So that tells. Ooh, look, guys. Woo. 10,000 Crow. 10,000 Crow. And I do have one of these. I have one of these ones right here, guys. So that tells you that my investment, look, guys, my investment was not, it was a very, very good investment. Let me go to connect my wallet and show you guys the ones I have. And as I said, I'm going to hold on to the ones I got. I'm going to hold on to what I got and see what's the most I can get for it. Because I'm not going to sell all of them. I'm going to sell a few of them because I got 5. This was the last one that I bought, guys. And if he's selling his for 10,000, I know I could sell this one for 15,000 Crow. Because this is just so different. Look at this one. It's just so different, guys. So this is one of mine, and this is one also. So, and the most I paid was $39, guys. So that quick, I can turn my $39 into, who knows? No limitation, because I don't know. I can't really put a limit on these from what I'm seeing. This is another one. And This is another one. So as you guys can see, man, I got a couple of them, and that's the reason why I end up spending the money and I buy these, because I know that after they sold out, the price was gonna shoot up. But I mean, the price out, they already selling them for crazy numbers. Now, are they gonna sell? I'm pretty sure people are gonna buy them at some point in time, because I don't know what majestic Minotaur and what they, if they have any games going. If they're gonna have a game, then you already know, guys. Then these things could be, these things, the prices for these things could go to the roof. So I'm just gonna hold on to the ones I got. I might sell maybe one or two, I don't know. But this one right here, I just know this guy is just, he looks so different. Look at him, he's so different from everybody else. So this one definitely, I would say 20, I would say 20, even 30,000 crow for this one. Just the fact that, look at him. And I haven't seen anything like that. So I'm gonna wait and just hold on to what I got until I see someone sell something like this, and then that kind of. But at the same time, I still put my price, whatever I feel I could sell it for that. So that's kind of what I want to show you guys today. And they do have a few more. I'm gonna say if I probably could get one more, just to one or two more, just to hold on to it, because if you could buy it for $30 and turn it into 5,000, then I mean, come on, guys, or 10,000 or 30,000 from $30, hey, that's just ridiculous. So that's kind of what I want to show you guys about these NFTs, man. And as I said, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you could know when I upload something new. And if you haven't signed up for crypto.com, guys, you could use my link, sign up, and get that $25. And if you need CMOS, check in the description box. I'm going to have my discount code in the description box. Use my code and you get 15% off CMOS. And as I said, it's really good for you. You can have so many different properties, have so many different health benefit for CMOS. So guys, just check it out. And that's what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion. Financial freedom is the key. That's what we pushing for. I'm not a financial advisor. I just let you guys know the things that I'm doing and how I'm trying to flip it. I'm trying to get it, guys. Sick of being broke. I'm trying to get it. So financial freedom is the key, guys. So that's what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. Peace.